Josie has a spinner on which the probability of getting red is 0.4. She spins the spinner 25 times. Suggest a model that Josie could use to determine the probability for the number of times the spinner lands on red. So we have a fixed number of trials, constant probability of success. If x is the random variable, the number of times the spinner lands on red, then we can say that x would be binomial with 25 trials and a probability of success of 0.4. Use cumulative probability tables to find the probability that the spinner will land on red fewer than 15 times. Now that's fewer than 15, which means less than or equal to 14. Remember, this is discrete, so if it's not 15 included, the next one down is 14. And we just need to look that up in tables. So we've got the n equals 25 tables here, and this column is the 0.4, so we want to go to 14 and across, and so it's 0.965. So 0.9656. It says between 5 and 15 times. These appear to not be inclusive. So what we're looking at there is that x is greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 14. Now, 6 is included there. So if we think about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we want to do with the cumulative tables is chop off from here. So in other words, we want to get rid of 5 or less. So if we go back to the tables, go across at 5, that's where we're going to chop off 0.0294. So this is going to be 0.9656, which gives us less than 14, and then take away 0.0294, which does this chopping off of the 5 or less. And we just need to calculate that. So 0.9656, take away 0.0294, 0.9362.